Hello, my name is Gigi, and I'll explain about the testing hypothesis regarding matched pairs data. For proof my concept, I'll use the question number 9 on page 490 in our textbook. I'll read the question, and it is a commonly held belief that SUVs are safer than cars. If an SUV and car are in a collision, does the SUV sustain less damage as suggested by the cost of repair? The Insurance Institute for Highway Safety crashed SUVs into cars. The SUV was moving 10 miles per hour and the front of the SUV crashed into the rear of the car. And these are matched pairs data because SUV and car were involved in the same collision. And they provided us alpha equals 0.05 level of significance. So now we should determine the null and alternative hypothesis. Null hypothesis is gonna be mu sub d equals 0. And before we get the alternative hypothesis, we need to define difference first. I'll put the SUV minus car. So it's gonna be mu sub d is smaller than 0. After this, we have two ways to get result. First is classical approach. Since we're trying to get a two population means and it's dependent samples, we use t-test. In classical approach, go to t-test, and I already put the data in L1 and L2, and for the L3 I put L1 minus L2. And hit calculate. So result test statistic is minus 2.685. Because this is a left tail test, we determine the critical value at the alpha equals 0.05 level of significance with n minus 1 equals 6 degrees of freedom to be minus t sub 0.05, and we use inverse t to get this, and it's gonna be minus 1.943. So this is minus 1.943. As we got the test statistic, our test statistic is in here, minus 2.685. Because the test statistic lies in the area, we reject the null hypothesis. Now we use p-value approach. As we got from t-test, p-value is 0.018. So p-value is smaller than alpha. Because the p-value is less than the level of significance, we reject the null hypothesis. There is significant evidence at the alpha equals 0.05 level of significance to conclude that the SUV sustained less damage. Thank you. Bye.